Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Stop this now. Never ever sum any numbers like student marks, employees' salaries, and other numbers in Excel. Excel can do it for you. In this video, I will show you 3 ways of making sum or just a total of any numbers in Excel. I will show you for beginner level, intermediate level, and the professional level. So let us start with beginner level. For beginner level, many of them use this equal, then press here plus this one plus this one, and then click enter. Automatically you can get the sum of these student marks out of 300, and once you need to calculate all of them, you may just scroll this down. Do you see? Automatically you will get their sum out of 30. This is for beginner level. As you see, it's somehow consuming time. Yes, for intermediate level, they mainly use sum function. This one equal sum. Do you see? Then select range B4 up to D4 like this. After we click enter, automatically also you'll get sum of student marks out of 300, and then you scroll down like this. As you see, this is somehow faster than the previous one, but still consuming time. Let us see for professional level. If you are a professional and you want to save your time, you just select all of marks like this. Do you see? Like this. Then you click Alt plus equal. Automatically you will get a total marks of student out of 30 by just one shortcut, Alt plus equal. So thank you for watching this video. I hope is helpful for you. Please don't miss subscribe, like this video, and share it to your colleagues, and remember to open the bell so that whenever we upload a new lesson, you will get notification automatically. And also, if you want to learn some shortcuts or another specific lesson, also let me know in the comment section. See you in the next lesson.